I'll be covering the topic of repair and rehabilitation of aircraft operating pavement surfaces. Firstly, I will brief you about the importance of military airfields. Next are the rubber deposits. In this picture, you can see due to continuous air traffic movement, rubber of the tire gets deposited in the landing area. What will happen is this rubber deposit will ultimately reduce the friction. As per the IRC code, the friction value for this wet condition should be less than 60. Friction value is measured by this equipment. This equipment is basically a static friction measuring equipment, which is called PSRT, Portable Static Friction Testing Machine. As per the policy, these rubber deposits should be removed every 4 years by mechanical means, like this. You can see in this picture a mechanical machine is being deployed to remove all the rubber deposits in the affected areas, and these rubber deposits should be removed every 4 years as per the policy with the top coat of polymer modified emulsion in the affected areas, because this emulsion will again hold the surface and avoid any raveling. Coming to the repairs of flexible pavements, what are the various methods being deployed in the flexible pavements to repair them? First and important is the fog seal. It is basically a spray of polymer modified coal emulsion diluted with water as per the manufacturer instructions at the rate of 1 liter per square meter by mechanical means. Here you can see a machine which is spraying a fog seal. You can see a picture comparison before and after application of fog seal. What will happen is this bituminous layer, this will hold and bind the top surface to avoid any further raveling and then failure of the surface. Second is the latest technique which is being deployed recently in airfields is microsurfacing. Basically, it is composed of modified bitumen emulsion, aggregate, water, cement and additives. It is basically laid in the thickness of 4 to 8 mm depending upon the requirement, and no compaction is required in this method, and opening to traffic is within 3 to 4 hours of laying. Only air curing is required and no compaction and no rolling is required. Traffic can be opened in 3 to 4 hours. Hence, this is very quick method of restoration and repair of flexible pavements. Next is the conventional method, again resurfacing the entire runway with DAC2 or as per the requirement of the subgrade and the PCN evaluation. This is the conventional method, and this method requires huge cost and time. A huge setup has to be made on the ground for resurfacing work. Huge machinery is required, huge manpower is required, huge cost is involved, and huge time is also required for the resurfacing of flexible pavements. Thanks.